today's video, we will be showing the new Baum714 XAP semi-automated folder. We want to show the capabilities that we will be able to run this machine with the 714 manual version, right angle or 8-page section. And in order to do this, you will have to remove the stacker table that comes with the 714 XAP and replace it with the transfer table that comes standard with the 714 right angle section. What this transfer table does is it accelerates the sheet so that way it can go down the right angle section to make the fold. And with this application fold, we're just doing a simple tri-fold or a Z-fold in the first station, and then we are running a score on the slitter shafts and then folding it in half in the second station or right angle.